Cut. Do you have to work weekends sometimes? Today's Sunday. Check out this film of my window cleaning company doing some high-level dusting in a space center. And over here is Mikey, and over here is a big ass rocket. Mikey says I gotta get some work done and stop filming. Is that what you said, Mikey? Yes. And what we're here today to do is take all this dust off. That there is a hatch for all the exhibit stuff, all these, and if that goes there, it's not going to take the weight, and he's going to go all the way down there. Mikey doesn't understand why I'm sweating so much, but it's absolutely really hot up here, really. It's not to do with being up there. Right, how far do you think this will go? Ready? I'd just say that went like a lead balloon. I'm always waiting for Mikey. He's in my way. Hey Mikey, we've got a traffic jam. Are you taking a call? Yeah. He's taking a phone call. It's a customer. Say hello to my new iPhone.
Hi, your new iPhone.
Hey.
Why are you filming?
I'm filming the traffic jam you've caused. I'm a vehicle waiting to get into that little area. Traffic jam. Space stuff. See that? You get into it from the back there. There you go. It's for your dust allergy. Well, you don't seem to be working hard, so I'm assuming you got a dust allergy. Houston, we have a problem. I've lost both my applicator and squeegee.